I have some white that I was soaking, and I washed them and they dried. So I'm going to go get them in the machine and I'm going to fold them. It's a small, about 2 weeks. Yeah, you can put them up, put them together, put them into a garbage bag or something, and tie up your whites. I know you don't wear a lot of white. And you tie them up and put them into some corner. And you can hand them up until leave a month, but don't go over month, because if you go over them over a month, depends on how you wear your whites, then you're not going, it's going to be a lot of folding. So I would say I have 2 weeks or a month. We always like whites. I'm going to get them in the machine and I'll be back.
What do you want to see? What do you want to share with me? 这天气 fantastic.
So I'm back with my whites. And then I'm going to fold them. Come this way. Yes, come with me. Just like
那些新鲜的事，我们留给微博；了解新鲜的事，请愿全部都归我。冲破你心房，不如说是你平片车手跟你情，尝试结果都。
So though we're enjoying our holiday, we're getting things done, right?
What do you want to share with me?
Fold them and put them away.
这天气 fantastic， 空气里透着幸福气。
Fold, as I said, you can do folding anywhere, anywhere. In your chair.
你送的玫瑰都变得好风趣。
那些新鲜的事，我们留给微博；了解新鲜的事，请愿全部都归我。冲破你心房，不如说是你平片车手跟你情，尝试谁波动你心。
What do you want to see? What do you want to share with me? 这天
These
气
are things that we're inside the house. You know, little
空
t-shirts.
气里透着幸福气息。
Then we have our socks. There's one more t-shirt here.
你送的玫瑰都变得好风趣。
那些新鲜的事，我们留给微博；了解新鲜的事，请愿全部都归我。冲破你心房，不如说是你平片车手跟你情，尝试谁波动
Something to do. But if you want it to be fun or you don't want it to be stressful, just maintain it. This holiday, that doesn't mean you're gonna stop, doing what you have to do.
这天气
Just do a little there, a little here.
空气里透着幸
These are
福
socks.
气息。Oh sweet sweet bread， 你送的玫瑰都变得好风趣。
那些新鲜的事，我们留给微博；了解新鲜的事，请愿全部都归我。冲破你心房，不如说是你平片车手跟你情，尝试谁波动你心。
What do you want to see? What do you want to share
soak
with
them.
me?
This one is this one.
这天气 fantastic，
You don't have to
空
soak
气
every
里
week.
透着幸
Depends on
福
you. I don't want to do it every week. Because when I'm doing laundry, I just use one stone
你送的
and kill more than
玫
one
瑰
bird.
都变得好风趣。
那些新鲜的事，我们留给微博；了解新鲜的事，请愿全部都归我。冲破你心房，不如说是你平
Put it
片
away
车手
until
跟你情，尝
next
试谁
time
波动
or
你心。
month 10, end of the month,
What do you
and
want
wash
to
your
see?
whites.
What do you want to share with me?
Housekeeping, that's what we do here.
这天气
Do a little bit.
fantastic，
And we
空气里透着幸福气息。
side. Yes.
Oh, sweet, sweet bread.
Back then you go and you rake up your place. The first thing we do in the mornings, we get up and we rake our place up.
那些新鲜的事，我们留给微博。了解新鲜的事，心愿全部都归我。从玻璃心房不读说是你平片车手。
Early, you have to go to work. You do it early in the mornings. Yeah.
What do you want to see?
So this is our little white thing, not a lot.
What do you
And a few
want to
socks,
share
yes.
with me?
Yeah, you see them? And I just put them where they belong. In the store, and I just put them in the drawer.
Oh, sweet, sweet bread.
Leave them. And then I'm gonna have to come back and do them again. I just put them away right away.
那些新鲜的事，我们留给微博。了解新鲜的事，心愿全部都归我。冲破你心房不读说是你平片车手跟你情，尝试谁波动你。
Put them away. Oh, these
What do you want to share with me?
Macy's. We'll find that.
这天气 fantastic， 空气里透着幸福气息。
You put these away. So we do our whites, we fold them, and we put them away.
你送的玫瑰都变得好风趣。
那些新鲜的事，我们留给微博。了解新鲜的事，心愿全部都归我。冲破你心房不读说是你平片车手。
Holiday. We maintain our place same way because it's after holiday. We don't want to have a lot of things to do, so we maintain as we go along. This is our kitchen here. See, we maintain it. Yes, our oven we bathe, we clean it out. New Year's 2 days from now. You're gonna bake, you're gonna cook, so that Christmas already gone, so we don't have Christmas things backing up. We come out with our refrigerator. Yes, and we keep maintaining the place. Children around the play.
那些新鲜的事，我们留给微博。了解新鲜
That
的
way
事，
we
心
can
愿
also
全部都归我。
enjoy our
冲破
holiday,
你心
and
房
at
不
the
读
same
说是
time
你
our
平
place
片
is
车手
clean.
跟你情，尝试谁
Because
波
you
动
know
你。
that. We gotta keep our place clean. Yes, that's also a part of healthy living. Thank you. If you find this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. And we see you before the end of the year. Onago, Miaga watch night service. Onago. We talk about that. Have a great day.